Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate reverse predefined method of string builder and string buffer classes in Java. So let's get started. So reverse is an another predefined, that is important predefined methods of string builder and string buffer classes in Java. So using this reverse, we can reverse the characters of the given text, string text. For example, for example, if I create a string using the string builder and string buffer class like this, Arun string, then after applying the reverse, this string will be reversed, guys. Okay. After you apply the reverse, the output will come like this. Output will come like the reverse thing. First n will come. The last letter will come first. After that, u will come. Then r will come. Then a will come. Like this. This is what is output you are going to get with the help of reverse. It is going to reverse all the characters in this particular given string text. Fine. So let me now practically demonstrate this predefined method for you. So this is one of the important predefined methods. So for that, I'll just switch to this Eclipse ID for practical demonstration. Let me create a new class here. I'll just name this class with some random name with main method. And here inside the main method, I'm going to create this string with help of either string builder or string buffer. Here in this example, I'm using string builder is equal to new string builder. And here I'll give my name, let's say my first name. And if I say, so before reversing, if I print it out, before reversing, if I print this particular string buffer, what will be returned? Arun will be returned. Okay, just run this code, right click run as Java application and see. Normal Arun will be returned. But after reversing, sb dot reverse, if I use this reverse predefined method of string builder and string buffer classes in Java, right? All the characters in this particular string will get reversed in this particular string. Now, if I print it out, the same sb, if I print it out after reversing the characters in this particular string, if I run this, you see after reversing, you'll get, you see last character will come first, then U will come, then R will come, then A will come. Like this, it will happen. So hope guys you understood how to use reverse predefined method of string builder and string buffer classes in Java. So, and how this particular method will work. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.